Welcome to TCI's DecisionLender 4 training series. This tutorial will show the user how to use the trade line editor. The trade line editor will allow the user to view and add trade lines, exclude trade lines from rules or DTI calculations, as well as modify payment and balance amounts. How to view a trade line. To begin, log into DecisionLender. You are brought to the landing page. Open the required application by clicking on the application number. The application will open to the Decision page. Click on the Trade Line Editor tab. The Trade Line Editor page will open. A summary will appear at the top of the page. The bottom portion will display the trade lines. For each trade line, DecisionLender will indicate whether it is included or excluded from the rules and/or DTI calculation. If you click on the creditor link, you can view all the details of this trade line. Next, it will tell you if it is secured or unsecured. It will also indicate the type of trade line: mortgage, installment, other, revolving, etc. The date the trade was opened, the payment, adjusted payment, balance, adjusted balance, remaining payments, and applicant type. A for applicant and C for co-applicant. How to modify a trade line. The Edit button in the right-hand column will allow the user to edit the trade line. Confirm that you are the working user for this application. If not, make yourself the working user. If you skip this step, you will only be able to view the page. You will not be able to make any modifications. Click on the Edit icon located in the right-hand column of the trade line you wish to modify. The Trade Line Editor will open the entry. The Adjusted Payment field and the Adjusted Balance fields will become editable, and the Rules Exclude and DTI Exclude fields will appear if needed. Make your desired changes. When you are done making your modifications, click on the Save icon. The edited trade line will appear highlighted in orange. Click the Save Changes button. You will receive a message that the changes were successfully saved. As with any modification to an application in DecisionLender, the Reevaluate button will turn orange. Click the button to reevaluate the application. You will receive a success message. How to add a trade line. Click the Add Trade Line button. A new trade line page will open. Enter the information requested. The fields marked with an asterisk are required fields and must be entered. Click the Save button when completed. The new trade line will be added to the top of the page, highlighted in orange. The Exclude columns will show UI, which means User Included. Click the Save Changes button. As with any modification to an application in DecisionLender, the Reevaluate button will turn orange and require reevaluation. Click the Reevaluate button. You will receive a message that the application was successfully reevaluated. How to exclude or include a trade line from a rule or DTI calculation. From the Trade Line Editor page, click on the Edit button for the trade line you wish to be excluded or included from the rules and/or DTI calculation. This will open the Exclude type, Reasons, and Comments sections. Select the Rules Exclude type from the drop-down list. For this example, we will choose to exclude this trade line from our rules. Select the Rules Exclude reason from the drop-down list. If there are no reasons in the drop-down selection, it means they were not set up. See the Setup Reasons video for further instruction on how to set up these reasons. You may proceed to the Comments field and enter your reasons in the Comments section as well. To also exclude this trade line from the DTI calculation, click on the DTI Exclude Type field and select Exclude from the drop-down list. Now click on the DTI Exclude Reason field and select the reason from the drop-down list. If there are no reasons in the drop-down selection, you may enter your comments in the Comments section. Click the Save icon when completed. Click on the Save Changes button. The trade line will be removed from the rules and/or DTI calculations. The associated Exclude column will display UE, User Excluded. The Reevaluate button will turn orange and require reevaluation. Click the Reevaluate button. You will receive a message that the application was successfully reevaluated. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, you can contact TCI Client Support at 1-800-492-2001, option 3. Thank you for choosing TCI's DecisionLender.